I'm Manya and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I will be doing this look right here. I did this look for somewhere I went and you guys really liked the look on my Instagram, and a lot of you were asking how I do it. This makeup is absolutely transfer proof. I have actually done a mask test in this video towards the end and you can see कि बिल्कुल makeup transfer नहीं होता, बिल्कुल भी नहीं. Towards the end you can see I literally pressed it and it's literally transfer proof, it's sweat proof, perfect for the summer. So if you want to know how I created this look, then please continue watching. Alright, we're gonna keep today's video very casual and simple and easy peasy because this look is really very easy and so quick. And I'm gonna start with concealer. This is the Too Faced Born This Way multi-use sculpting concealer in the shade Sand. This has been my favorite concealer since the past, I don't know, 2-3 months. Since the time I bought it, I've literally just been using this, and all I do is I just apply concealer on the areas I like to conceal, that is my under eyes, the area around my mouth. I will also conceal my upper lip today because I was too lazy to shave my upper lip today. So yeah, I'm gonna conceal a little bit there, a little bit on my forehead, around my nose, and in case you have some scars or some pimple marks here, you can or you cannot conceal. That is totally your choice. You can also skip the forehead. I apply concealer on my forehead typically because my forehead has a different shade than the rest of my face. So to make it even tone, I have to conceal or put something on my forehead always. Now I'm going to use a beauty sponge. This is the Morphe X Jeffree Star beauty sponge. I have mixed reviews about this. This is the second time I will be using it, so I don't really have much things to say. This definitely has a different texture to it. It does not feel like a regular beauty sponge. It feels different, it feels velvety, but it definitely takes up a lot of product, which leads to wastage of product, so that is like a turn off for me. But it blends pretty well, so like, I don't know, I think I will probably use this a couple of times before I speak anything about it. It's definitely soft and squishy and all of that because obviously it's Morphe, but I don't know. I start blending with my face, from my face. I let the under eye concealer sit for some time because apparently it gives more coverage. Now since we will not be using foundation for this look, make sure you're using a concealer which has good coverage because that is the whole point. We definitely, yes, we are using less product, but at the same time we want something which gives us more coverage, right? So, and at the same time which is not thick. So this concealer is not thick, like very thick. It does not look cakey, but it gives really good coverage. So either this one or the LA Girl one, you can use any one. I personally like this one better. You can see the difference between my under eyes. This is how good this concealer is, and I feel once the aim is to just make the skin one tone, like even tone, and once that is achieved, ज़्यादा problem नहीं होती. Make sure you're dabbing and not dragging the product because we want coverage, and if we drag, we won't get that much coverage from the product. I always, wherever I've applied my concealer, I drag it to the rest of my face and I keep dabbing for good 5-7 minutes so that it literally looks like my skin but better. Trust me, blending does all the difference, and even after like I know the product is, you know, totally blended, even then I keep dragging it, keep blending it or keep pushing the blender all over my face just to blend and just so that it looks more skin like. Another thing that is like super important is your skincare. This is something I always say. Your skincare beneath your makeup makes a lot of difference on how your makeup looks. So whatever skincare suits your skin in summers, do that skincare and then go on with your makeup, because the finish literally depends. And don't skip your sunscreen, please. Delhi में वैसे बहुत गर्मी है आजकल, and it can lead to pigmentation, it can lead to darkness, dark spots, whatever, and we definitely don't want that on our skin. So, alright, once you are convinced with how your skin looks and once your skin is even toned, we move on to the next product, which is our cream blush. Now, one thing I would want to say before we move on is that this is like a very skin-like makeup, and of course some of your blemishes or some of your scars or some of your darkness will show up, but I think that is the whole point. If we want it to look skin-like, some things will show up. Of course it gives us coverage, but if we at the same time want it to look even skin-like, so thoda to dikhega, and I am personally okay with it, so this is what I do. Now I'm using the Flower Beauty cream blush. This is actually a lip, I don't know, tint, but I always use this as a blush. I would totally recommend you using a cream blush, because in summers, again, if this is something what I think and this is the technique that I have been using, I personally feel कि since बिल्कुल हमें मिनिमल प्रोडक्ट्स चाहिए एंड हमें बिल्कुल स्किन लाइक चाहिए, टिंट्स यूजुअली गिव लाइक अ मोर स्किन लाइक फील rather than powder blushes. So I just take the blush. It's like very pigmented, तो मैं डायरेक्टली नहीं लगा सकती वरना it's very difficult to blend it out. So I just take it on the back of my hand and I pat it with my fingers, and then I take very little on my finger, little by little I start applying on my temples. And as I apply the product, साथ I keep blending, because again, as I said, this product is a little hard to blend, and sometimes when we are like, I've seen people, they use tints, but tint is not, the tints are not blended, like, you know, the blush is not very blended. वो दिखता है उसका थोड़ा spots and marks जो tint छोड़ देता है पीछे. So yeah, while using tints, always remember to blend them, because वो marks पे बहुत अजीब लगते हैं, and tints का whole point is looking natural, and once you see that it's not blended properly, तो वो natural नहीं लगता बिल्कुल भी. So I just take my blush all over to my forehead, like my temples, and similarly I start with like less, उसके बाद मुझे चाहिए तो मैं उसको build up करती रहती हूँ. This literally, I have timed this makeup look. This hardly takes me 10 minutes, maximum 15 minutes. मैंने इसको तो सच में टाइम किया हुआ है. So अभी I am explaining each technique because सबसे ज़्यादा मुश्किल is skin like makeup करना. मुझे ऐसा लगता है like skin like makeup, no makeup ये सबसे मुश्किल होते हैं करने. That's what I feel. So technique and how you're doing it is very important, and that is what I'm explaining here. इसलिए time लग रहा है, but trust me, it is not time taking at all. If you go to college, or अब college तो नहीं जाता है, but if you go to office or on a regular basis, this is something you can do, क्योंकि literally कोई products ही नहीं use हो रहे हैं. At the same time, it looks very nice. Now what I do is, once I know almost all the product is off my hand and it's almost here, I dab my beauty sponge on my hand जहाँ पे मैंने tint लगाया था, and then I dab it on my lids, just to give lids को tint, थोड़ा सा एक hint of color, so that the lids also look, you know, cohesive, and the whole look looks cohesive. Just थोड़ा सा डायरेक्ट अप्लाई नहीं कर रही, जो लेफ्ट ओवर है बस उसको स्पंज पे लगा के थोड़ा सा, जस्ट टू गिव इट अ हिंट एंड थोड़ा कोहेसिव लगे पूरा लुक, इसलिए आई जस्ट डू दिस and then थोड़ा सा चिन पे. It just looks like one. The whole face looks like one and it looks even more natural. So, alright, moving on. I now just go and powder my face. I don't contour my face. I don't apply any foundation because I am comfortable with this amount of coverage and I'm comfortable with how my face looks. In case you want to add contour, I would again recommend adding a cream contour rather than a powder contour or bronzer, because again, cream contour or bronzer looks much natural and much skin-like rather than powder. That's what I feel. So if you want to add that, you can definitely add that. The best thing I like about this look is it's very flexible. Whatever suits you, us apne hisab se you can add or subtract whatever product you want to. Now for powder, on a regular basis, I typically use this one. This is the Becca Hydra Mist Set and Refresh powder. This is a great powder for everyday use. Itna finely milled hai and it literally just gives like a filter on your face. It literally appears like a filter on your face and it's very, very nice, and I'm so sad that Becca is shutting down. But I'm definitely restocking on this powder before Becca shuts down. I think I will definitely restock 2-3 powders so that they just last me for some time. And yeah, but this is, as you can see, almost over. इसमें कुछ भी नहीं रहता है. So today I'm using this one. This is the Huda Beauty but Bake powder in the shade Banana Bread. I don't use this on a regular basis. This is the first time I will be using it, so I don't know how it may change the look. But this is what I use on a regular basis. This is much lightweight than this. This gives more coverage, but this appears like a flawless filter on the face. I think this is the best how I can explain how this feels. But yeah, today I will be using this. This is again one of my favorite powders, so I'm sure ये भी अच्छा ही होगा. But then this is तो just the best. Especially for dry skin, the Becca one is great because it does not dry out your skin at all. And usually my skin is such कि powders बहुत easily dry out हो जाते हैं and it starts looking very cakey and very बहुत गंदा लगता है. तो that is one powder that suits me a lot. My under eyes are very dry, तो वो powder है that suits me a lot. But like, yeah, वो finished है, so I will be using this one today. Before setting it with powder, make sure there are no creases on your face. I will take the powder on my beauty blender itself and just start powdering my face. If you don't crease that much, I am a dry skin type, but at the same time I crease a lot. So if your makeup does not crease much, you can definitely skip this step of powdering because summers में जितना कम layer हो उतना better होता है. So I think if you think that you don't crease that much, you can definitely miss this step of powdering the face. Alright, moving on. Usually I know setting spray is the last thing, but once my powder is done, I immediately apply a setting spray. Now there's a reason why I apply setting spray immediately after I apply my powder, because setting spray basically emulsifies the powder and the cream products together and it makes everything appear as one. So I personally feel जब fresh powder और cream मतलब पाउडर क्रीम प्रोडक्ट्स पे लगा है उसी टाइम इफ आई अप्लाई सेटिंग्स पे तो वो इजीली थोड़ा होगा, बिकॉज आई फील अभी मैंने पाउडर लगा दिया एंड बाय द एंड ऑफ द मेकअप द पाउडर काइंड ऑफ सिट्स ओवर द क्रीम प्रोडक्ट्स एंड उसके बाद इफ आई अप्लाई सेटिंग स्प्रे इट माइट नॉट blend that easily जितना वो अभी immediately होगा. That is just my personal technique and this is just my personal thoughts and this is just how I do it and it looks really nice and a lot of people say that my base looks very skin like. So setting spray is kind of the key to a skin like base, like at least my skin like base. That is what I feel. So this is my theory, this is how I think. You can try it for yourself. If it works for you, then definitely it's great, let me know. If it does not, then I'm sorry, because this is something that this is some technique that I use, and this is something that works for me. Now next step are my brows. I don't really do my brows on a regular basis. Like, I don't shape them, I just use a brow gel and I brush them. That is all I do for my brows, like on a regular basis. Especially in summers, बिल्कुल भी blocky or bushy or बहुत structured brows I don't do. I like natural brows because summers में सब कुछ natural अच्छा लगता है. So yeah, I just use a brow gel. This is the Anastasia brow gel. This is the only brow gel I use, and the only brow gel I like, and the only brow gel I own basically. So this is something that I use. I'm so sorry if you can hear my brother playing games in the background. Moving on to my mascara. I think mascara is one thing that literally gives life to this makeup look. That's what I feel. So I use two mascaras. Yes, I use two mascaras. One is the L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara, and the other is Forever 52 Super Volume and Lengthening Mascara. These are the two mascaras I use. First, I go on with one coat of the L'Oreal one, and then once it dries, I go on with the second coat of the Forever 52 one. And yeah. I feel with mascara, one should literally take their time to apply mascara, because if applied correctly, the mascara can literally lift up your look like anything. I feel my lashes are crying right now because I've literally been applying mascara like regularly since 5 days. 5 days I've been doing my makeup. My skin is crying, and my lashes definitely are crying because I should not be doing this. Alright, my mascara is done, and I'm kind of happy with how my lashes look right now. Now I'm gonna go with my highlighter. Again, for highlighter, go with something which is absolutely skin-like and not very out there, because again, the point of the look is to look very, very natural. So I go with the best MAC Soft and Gentle, and as the name suggests, it literally gives like a soft and a gentle glow, which again looks like skin-like. Looks like skin-like, yeah, looks skin-like. So yeah, just a little bit, not a lot, because again, we wanted to look skin-like. I know I'm repeating my words, but that is the whole point of the look. We wanted to look as skin-like and as natural as it can. Lastly, moving on to the lips, I'm gonna use Huda Trendsetter, both lip liner and lipstick. This has again been my go-to lipstick. So that is it, you guys. This is the final look. I really hope you guys like it, and as you can see, it is very, very natural, looks very skin-like. The key is basically just to enhance your features, and that's it. I'm also gonna do like a wear test. This is a mask. As you can see, this is the back, no makeup. Front, no makeup. This is actually a new mask. I just got it out for this check. Now I'm gonna, as you can see, abhi kuch bhi makeup nahi hai is pe. I am gonna wear it, and then we can see how this makeup stays. I am talking to you as well, and मैं थोड़ा सा इसको push भी कर रही हूँ, just to see कितना fallout है और कितना transfer है. As you can see, I'm pushing it, and I'm also side by side talking to you. तो जितना भी ट्रांसफ़र होना होगा हो गया होगा अभी तक. I just wish that now. Lol. Okay. As you can see, there's absolutely no makeup on this mask. मैंने कितना ज़्यादा पुश किया, थोड़ी सी लिटरली थोड़ी सी लिपस्टिक है आपके सामने, मैंने कितना पुश किया, but no makeup got transferred on the mask. And thus you know it is sweat proof absolutely, because AC fan दोनों ऑफ है मेरे रूम के since I've been shooting, so of course I'm sweating a little bit, but the makeup is still sweat proof. It is not coming out, it is not looking oily or cakey or whatever, and it is non-transferable as well. So I can definitely vouch for this look. If you use these techniques, if you do whatever I have done in this video, definitely your makeup will last the whole day through these summers. And I got so excited जब कुछ भी ट्रांसफ़र नहीं हुआ, because genuinely I've been wearing this 4-5 days से and कुछ भी ट्रांसफ़र नहीं होता. That I know for sure. So yeah, I really hope that you liked the video. If you did, then don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Also, let me know how you like this look in the comment section, and any other specific look recommendations, makeup related, skincare related, कुछ भी recommendations हैं for more YouTube videos, let me know in the comment section, and I will definitely make those videos for you. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram as well. My Instagram handle is right here, and also the link is in my bio description box, so don't forget to follow me on Instagram as well. Many such techniques are also shared on Instagram on my reels, so definitely don't forget to check my Instagram out, and I really hope you like it. See you next time. Bye. Love you.